What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching this video. I really need as many people to witness me out fishing my father-in-law as possible. So go ahead and watch to the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy it. The hard part is like trying to find out, like, are they just not biting, or are we like casting too far? Are we casting too close? Or like, do we need to go deeper with the bobber? Do we need to go? Do they even like worms? Who knows? I think I had higher hopes for this stock.
I know, right?
Like, you would think it just looks so like natural, and nobody's really fished here.
On this place?
Yeah. I'm gonna try something else on this line and see if we can get something else biting. So, you're not supposed to be able to hook lily pads on frogs. I feel like one of these days we're gonna figure out what they like eating over here. I want to take a second to recognize our sponsor today. It's me, and me would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video, because not only does it get content like this out into the algorithms, but it's also free. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah.
Like a gar, you said?
Yeah, I think it was a gar. It had the nose of a gar, and they had the kind of weird flat tail.
Those are tricky to catch because they're like bone, like their jaw is just bone.
Yeah.
I caught one not that long ago.
Yeah.
But I like cheated. It like stayed on the hook, but it wasn't actually hooked, and then I just like landed it with a net. Like I pulled it close to the dock. And, oh my! Okay, see that's ridiculous.
What is that? Was that a
That was like a bigger. I don't know what it was, but
that's ridiculous.
like it was like a bass, I think. I don't know. That's so frustrating. Shoot. That's
gonna be great footage.
right.
Yep.
Yep.
On.
Yes.
Yes.
Did it come off? What?
Full on had one, and then I got caught up the.
Well, at least we know there's fish. Yeah.
Come on. Hang on. Hang on.
He is really trying to sneak away there.
Come on.
Try just letting out some line. See if he'll detangle, maybe. He's just hanging out. I feel like we're like maxing out the line right now. Okay. It's still tied.
Still under that.
I'm gonna grab my line and see if I can hook on the same lily pad, and then that way if a line breaks off, it's mine.
Where'd it go? My line is stuck. Gator.
Okay. No. We're just trying to hook the lily pad. I don't think I've ever put so much work into catching.
One fish. Like we are destined to catch a fish on. Yeah.
Within, was it 2 casts?
It was.
Or
yeah.
2 or 3? I think that's the hook.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. There we go. Okay, let me reach down. Oh, there we go. Yes!
Finally!
Yes!
I got it. Look at that. That's a nice bass. Look at that. Yep.
So you're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Here's the thing though, I gotta catch more fish than you.
I know.
Otherwise my title doesn't work.
Right. Okay, so like that.
Yeah, just ouch. Here, you gotta get the lake in the background.
Get it cleaned up.
Okay, we know fish exist.
Yes.
Hey Barry. Caught what was making the noise.
Nice.
My goodness.
Oh, that's hilarious. There you go. You cheated.
Okay, I don't know if that's cheating. I think it's just all, you know, all fair in love and war, you know? Dude, I can't believe there's a fish literally under where I've been fishing for the past hour. It literally like touched the water and went after it. That's it. So